Michelle Crocker left a comment saying, once again, bird dog chocolate and vanilla Coke. But of course, you won't do it. You're right. I'm not going to do it. Just kidding. Go ahead and unwad those knickers. We're going to do your drink. Bird dog chocolate, vanilla Coke. Something you guys got to remember is I get a ton of suggestions every day, and I just can't do them all. I do my best. Cheers. All that, and I'm disappointed. It's not horrible. I mean, they're both great separate, but that at best is like a 4.5 out of 10.